Hi, my name is Tomasz and you're watching Casual DIY channel. Today just a very quick and simple project for you guys. If you are using toggle clamps, as you know from my previous videos, I'm actually using them extensively, but they get on my nerves. It's very difficult to adjust them and the small rubber foot is absolutely tiny. Let's sort that out. Right then, so as you know, I'm actually quite often using my toggle clamps because I think they're quite easy to use, fairly quick, and as you can see, you can really adjust them to any of your needs. This one is for a dock hole, this one is for a T-track slot, and even I've put some toggle clamps on my stop blocks for the miter saw just for an extra option. But the more I've actually been using them, the more the flaws of the design actually came apparent. So if you want to adjust the depth of clamping over here, obviously you've got two nuts over here and you just need to adjust it by that, and it takes absolute ages and it's difficult to do it with your bare fingers sometimes to make a hard and stable connection. So we're gonna sort that out. Also, sometimes the rod itself is too short. We're gonna sort that out. And the last thing we're gonna sort out is the rubber feet. I think they're way too small, and if you add something bigger you'll get a better stability and clamping pressure. So how are we going to do that? Absolutely dead simple. Threaded metal rod is the first thing that we're going to need. The next thing we're going to need is a wing nut. I can imagine you expected that solution, as it's dead simple and speeds up the work immensely. And the last thing you're going to need is a furniture foot. It's the perfect solution for our needs, as it's made from thick rubber, and that will clamp everything nicely to our tabletops. And with that out of the way, let's cut the metal rod to the right sizes. The threaded rod in my case for my need, they're going to be 9 centimeters in length. Right then, so we've got our threaded rods cut to the right sizes, and now it's time to put the whole thing together. The first thing we need to do is to put a normal nut like so onto the threaded rod. And how we're going to secure it to the rubber foot? Well, I'm going to be using 5-minute epoxy and just glue it inside. I find the 5-minute epoxy I'm using is very strong and very good. I've used it on many occasions and I had no issues with it. Hence, my good assumption is it will work for this as well. If you're interested in any of those toggle clamps that are actually made and I'm showing you on this video, all the videos are available on my channel and the links are down below if you want to check them out. So there you go guys, really simple upgrade to your toggle clamp system. As you can see, I've got a wide variety of it for different types of uses. I've got the ones that go into the MFT style tabletop, to the T-track system, and obviously I'm actually using my stop blocks for the miter saw with the T-track system, as well as an additional way of clamping. Obviously your setup might be different, but I hope this gave you an indication of what can be done, and obviously how you can adjust it to your needs. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, drop me that like button down below, and I hope to see you on my next woodworking adventure. Till then, take care.